Errors in quantitative analysis. Mean value. Mean value is obtained by dividing the sum of a set of replicate measurement by the number of individual results in the set. For example, if a titration is repeated 4 times and the titer value are 10.1, 9.9, 10.0 and 10.2 ml, mean is equal to summation of these 4 values, 10.1 plus 9.9 plus 10 plus 10.2 upon 4 is equal to 40.2 upon 4 is equal to 10.05. This mean value is also called the arithmetic mean average. This is a value about which all other values in a set are equally distributed. Half of the values are greater and the other half smaller numerically compared to the median. For example, if we have a set of values like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and 1.5, the median value is 1.3. When a set of data has an even number of values, then the median is the average of the middle part pair. Accuracy. Accuracy represents the nearness to a measurement to its expected value. Any difference between the measured value and expected value is expressed as error. For example, the dissociation constant for acetic acid is 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 5 at 25 degrees Celsius. In an experiment, if a student arrives at exactly this value, his value is said to be accurate. Precision. Precision is defined as the agreement between the numerical value of two or more measurements of the same object that have been made in an identical manner. Thus, a value is said to be precise where there is agreement between a set of results for the same quantity. However, a precise value need not to be accurate. Method of expressing precision. Precision can be expressed in an absolute method. In the absolute way, the deviation from the mean xi minus x express precision without considering sign. Sample of an organic compound x1, x2, x3, percent of carbon 38.42, 38.02, 38.22, x dash is equal to 38.22. Deviation from mean 0.20, 0.20, 0.00. 0.40 upon 3 is equal to 0.133 average deviation. Absolute error. The term accuracy is denoted in terms of absolute error E. E is the difference between the observed value x1 and the expected value xt is equal to xi minus xt. If a student obtains a value of 1.69 into 10 raised to minus 5 for the dissociation constant of acetic acid at 25 degrees Celsius, the absolute error in this determination is equal to 1.69 into 10 raised to minus 5 minus 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 5 is equal to 0.06 into 10 raised to minus 5. Relative error. Sometimes the term relative error is used to express the uncertainty in data. The relative error denotes the percentage of error compared to the expected value for the dissociation constant value reported. Relative error 0.06 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 100 upon 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 5 is equal to 3.14%. Problem. The actual length of a field is 500 feet. The measuring instrument shows the length to be the 508 feet. Find a A. The absolute error in the measured length of the field. B. Relative error in the measured length of the field. Solution A. The absolute error in the length of a field is 8 feet is equal to xi minus xt is equal to 508 minus 500 is equal to 8 feet. The relative error in the length of the field is relative error is equal to 8 into 100 upon 500 upon is equal to 1.6%. Errors of two main types: determinate error, indeterminate errors. Determinate errors. These errors are determinable and are avoided if care is taken. Determinate errors are classified into three types: instrumental error, operative errors, and methodic errors. Instrumental error. Instrumental errors are introduced due to the use of a defective instrument. For example, an error in volumetric analysis will be introduced when a 20 ml pipette, which actually measures 20.1 ml, is used. Sometimes an instrument error may arise from the environment factors on the instrument. For example, a pipette calibrated at 20 degrees Celsius, if used at 30 degrees Celsius, will introduce errors in volume. Instrumental errors may largely be eliminated by the periodically calibrating the instrument. Operative errors. These errors are also called personal errors and are introduced because of variation of personal judgments. For example, due to color blindness, a person may arrive at wrong results in volumetric or colorimetric analysis. Using incorrect mathematical equation and committing arithmetic mistakes will also cause operative errors. Methodic error. These errors are caused by adopting defective experimental method. For example, in volumetric analysis, the use of an improper indicator leading to wrong result is an example for methodic error. Proper understanding of the theoretical background of the experiments is a necessity for avoiding methodic errors. Indeterminate error. These errors are also called accidental error. Indeterminate errors arise from uncertainties in measurement that are unknown and which cannot be controlled by the experimentalist. For example, when pipetting out a liquid, speed of boiling, the angle of holding the pipette, the portion at which the pipette is held would introduce intermediate error in the volume of the liquid pipette out. Thank you.